Welcome back. So we're back in the kitchen today. Today I'm going to be making a beef short ribs. Now we all love these short ribs. We're going back into the pressure cooker just because they cook faster and they still taste just as delicious. Just to point out that you could make this the night before. It actually tastes so much better the next day if you're doing it in the pressure cooker. However, if you're slow cooking it, it's going to take you a good 3 hours. So as usual, again, we're making a beef short rib, and these are going to be braised in a wine sauce, and we'll serve them probably with mashed potatoes and some sort of vegetable. So as usual, guys, follow along on the video, and then don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and get the full recipe on my Facebook page. It's called Carrie Ann's Kitchen. So let's go ahead, guys, let's get started, and I hope you have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Here you got some red wine, 2 cups, about 2 cups of stock, vegetable stock. You got some minced garlic and ginger. I like to mix them together. Green onion and onions. A pro tip for you guys: when choosing your ribs, you want to have a good ratio of bone, fat, and meat. That way it will come out delicious.